That's KB dancing with, you're not going to believe it, Bryn Anderson. No one would have ever seen this coming. First time ever dancing together. Song number one, DJ Spin It.
Wine, 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 wine. Tell me everything you know, what you've done, what you want to. Tell me how to take you home, 'cause it's something you could do. Baby, you can leave your clothes on. I'm just trying to strip your mind. Boy, I wanna get your brain off. Trying to get underneath those eyes. Just think about.
Yeah, that's song one. Here we go with song two. Let's hit it.
I bought it, bop, bop, be there to see the do dip, bop, 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 zip, bop, bop, you do the zip, but do zip, bop, bop, bazoom, beat the door to go see my baby. Lives on the very first floor. My baby, she lives on the very first floor. So she can give me good love in the minute I walk through the door. See my baby, she lives just 10 steps from the street. My baby just 10 little steps from the street. She's easy on the eyes and easy on my aching feet. If I come in at 3 or sometimes even later, I don't have to climb the stairs or call no elevator. Don't matter what the date, time on the clock. When we get together, the whole foundation rocks. So my baby, she lives on the very first floor.
Yeah, let's hear